Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Stresses and strain in composite member subjected to axial load. First, we see composite member. When two or more members, if two or more members are members of different material are subjected or connected together and are subjected to loads, then the combination is called composite member. For example, material 1 connected another material axially, material 2, and applying load, tensile load P. Length of both these material and cross-sectional area is also different. Another example, material 1, material 2, material 3 subjected to compressive force Q and length as well as cross-sectional area different, A1, A2, A3. Then their Young modulus is also different, E1, E2, E3. For material 1, E1, material 2, E2, material 3, E3. Similarly for the above example also, E1, E2, and so on. Consider composite bar containing material M1 and M2 subjected to tensile load, axial tensile load. Then material 1, material 2, and axial tensile load is P. Cross sectional area and length also different. length L1, L2, cross sectional area A1, A2, Young modulus E1, E2. Then first split these two different material and draw FBD of these two material. FBD, free body diagram for material 1 and material 2, and apply tensile force on the surface A. According to Newton's third law, surface B is also equal and opposite force P. Similarly, for the member BC, on the surface C there is force P. According to Newton's third law, on the surface B equal and opposite force P. Then length L1, L2, cross sectional area A1, A2, Young modulus E1, E2. Stresses: sigma 1 is equals to P upon A1, sigma 2 is equals to P upon A2. Stresses apply on the two different FBDs. For FBD AB, sigma 1 stresses sigma 1 is equals to P upon A1. Force P is same for both the material. Therefore, P remain as it is. But cross-sectional area of these two members AB and BC are different. Therefore, sigma 1 is equals to P upon A1, sigma 2 is equals to P upon A2. Then stress, strain. Delta L1 upon L1. E2 is equals to delta L2 upon L2. Total change in length. Length delta L is equals to delta L1 plus delta L2. According to the formula, change in length delta L is equals to PL upon AE. Apply this formula for delta L1. P L1 upon A1 E1 plus P L2 upon A2 E2. Taking P common outside, P into bracket L1 upon A1 E1 plus L2 upon A2 E2 is equals to. This formula is applicable when material M1 and M2 are different, but material M1 and M2 are same but different cross-section area and different cross-sectional area. Then delta L is equals to P upon E into bracket L1 upon A1 plus L2 upon A2. Stresses and strain. In composite member, connected rigidly connected together in parallel. Consider material M1 and M2 are having same length, L, and subjected to load P. Load P acting vertically downward on the material 1 and material 2, having different cross-sectional area, but length of these two material is same, material M1, M2. Cross-sectional area A1, A2. Then P is equals to P1 plus P2. But sigma is equals to P upon A. Therefore, P is equals to sigma A. P is equals to total load P is equals to P1 load carried by material M1 and P2 load carried by material M2. Then P is equals to sigma 1 A1 plus sigma 2 A2. Change in length of both material M1 and M2 are same because they are connected in parallel. Therefore, delta L1 equal to delta L2. Total change in length formula is delta L is equals to PL upon AE. Apply this formula for here. We get P1 L1 upon A1 E1 equal to P2 L2 upon A2 E2. Material length is same, L1 equal to L2, and P upon A is equals to sigma. Therefore, sigma 1 upon E1 equal to sigma 2 upon E2. Sigma 1 is equals to E1 upon E2 into sigma 2. E1 upon E2 is known as modular ratio. And its definition is modular ratio is denoted by M, small m. It is defined as ratio of moduli of elasticity of different material of two different material. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.